Hey guys, so it's been a while since I have updated my profile pic. The pic that I'm currently using, I have long dark hair. So I did this photo shoot with this great photographer and I want to show you guys the pictures so that you can help me choose my new profile pic. So check it out. I'm gonna kind of like walk you through what they are. And then I cannot wait to hear back from you guys to let me know what you think. So this first one, I really like it, but it kind of looks like I'm a cast member on Law and Order. And by the way, no, I'm a fan, but I wasn't expecting to look like, you know, like a detective in this shot. So let me know what you think. I don't know if this is my first choice. However, I want to show you all of them, but I do think it looks like a cop headshot. Next. So this next one is brighter, you know, not like smiley, but it's, you know, it's a color picture. You can see like the pink sweater, the pinkish purpley sweater with the red hair. I think it looks kind of good. And it's just more kind of like, you know, daytime casual, a little bit of mystique. Photo shoots are weird, you guys. I don't know. This one, I do kind of like this one. This is an option. It's an option. Okay. Next. This next shot I actually really like. I thought that we really captured what I was trying to do. I was thinking more of like an author photo for my next book. Like maybe this is the picture that you see in the back with, you know, the author biography. I thought this one looks pretty cool. I also really like the frame of it. I feel like the shape is dynamic. I don't know if it's good for a profile pic, but I really like this one. So you guys let me know. I think this one is kind of cool and dynamic. Next one. So this next one I really like. I like that it's in color. This could be a good profile pic. The other thing that's cool too is it can easily be, you know, cropped in like this. So maybe that could be a good pick, especially like the cropped in version. I like the kind of 3/4-ish vibe, you know, like whatever. I feel like this shot I also feel is kind of dynamic. So, and you can be wider out or the closer in version, I think works well with this particular photo. Okay, so this next one is like smiley time. You know what I mean? Like I have no pictures of me smiling, which is weird because I smile all the time. But I just don't really have any photos of me smiling, especially any that I can use as like a profile type picture. So this one I thought is bright, it's colorful, it's happy, and I'm smiling, which is not rare in life, but it's rare to see a picture of me smiling. I also like this one because it's kind of full body. You don't see my feet. I didn't have a pedicure that day, so I was like, not happening. You cannot show the feet. Mom life over here, there is no pedicure happening anytime soon. However, I do like that it's colorful and you can see more kind of like full body and it's like casual and relaxed. And, you know, during the shoot, you're like, do I put my hands like this? Do I hold them? Do I go like this? Like, look, that looks weird, you know? So I feel like we got a nice balance. So smiley time. So this next one seems a little kind of like fashionista-y. It really wasn't supposed to. I was wearing these kind of flared out black silk pants and a short like suit shirt. So a lot of the pictures were super fun. And then this ended up being kind of the best of the bunch. But it did give me an idea for another shoot that I want to do where I do nail that image that I had in my head. Next. So this next photo actually was just because I showed up with this white turtleneck and the photographer was like, just put it on. I want to do some close-up stuff or, you know, and then I just started kind of playing with it and doing fun stuff. And then we got this photo, which I think turned out really pretty. I don't know if I look a little too serious though, but again, I like having this in the bunch of photos because it's different than the others. But maybe you guys will like it for a profile pic. I don't know. You know what I mean? Maybe a bit too much. Okay guys, so those are all the pics. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. And thanks for hanging out with me and I will see you guys soon.